So now we are going to understand the necessity of having a regular communication to your customers, and to do that we are going to create and we are going to learn how we are going to create that email sequences and automation so that your customers are dependent on your data. Obviously I'm not saying dependent, but they should be in regular communication with your content. So to create this manually, if you want to send emails, it's not at all possible. Let's say if you want to send 10, maybe you can send 10 emails. But let's say you have 100 people or 500 people, you cannot send those emails manually. So you have to use a tool. So this is where this communication comes into play. This tool comes into play, where we're going to talk about creating a regular communication through reminders and through integrations. So again, this is going to happen through a tool. So we are going to learn how to create email tags and sequences, how we are going to automate this internally as well as externally, and even you have multiple options to talk to your customers through later on communication. Let's say you have created an event and later on you want to again talk about it, or you want to get some feedback with your customers. You can send those emails once you have made this sequence and you have done this integrations. So now we are going to talk about this tool. This tool, again, as I said, you have lot many tools on internet available, but what we have been using since long, and we understand that this is one of the best tools in terms of user interface and simplicity. So we are teaching the same tool. The name of this tool is ConvertKit. You may be getting multiple other tools and people must be using some other, but here we are going to talk about a particular tool which is by the name of ConvertKit, which is an email marketing tool. And through this email marketing tool, we are going to learn how to create email sequences and automations. And obviously the net purpose is to create regular communication and regular reminders to your customers, right? So you must be having multiple options again with audios and text also. But as I said, this entire thing is talking about emails. So email open rate is definitely better. And you must have gone through the previous modules when I'm talking about the ROI. So let's talk about it. So this is the homepage of ConvertKit. Again, if you don't have an account, you have to create an account again by putting your email address and password, and it will ask you to verify. There will be an email coming from ConvertKit to say that yes, you have logged in. And once you have created your account, log in. So we already have an account, so we put your credentials and we log in. So the moment you are logged in, you come to a home page. So this is the home page of ConvertKit, right? So what you have to do now, you go to the left hand side, grow, and put in subscribers. Click on subscribers. So here you see this is our data, which is showing multiple things. We have created multiple tags. Here on the right hand side, there is an option called tag, and below that you see there is a plus button which is saying create a tag. Yes. So you have to start from creating a tag, and then you have to put add subscribers. So the moment you click on tag, there will be an option coming to name the tag. So let's say for the test purpose, we are putting the name of the tag as lead magnet test and save it. So you see again, you have created a tag now. Correct? On the right hand side, you will see there it is a tag. Yes, this tag is created now, lead magnet test. Okay, now you have created a tag. Now you have to create a sequence. So go to send, click on here and go to sequences. So after creating tag, you have to create sequences. So these are multiple sequences we have already created. Here you have to go to new sequence because you are creating a new sequence. Again, name that sequence. To make it simpler, again we are putting the same name, which is lead magnet test. You can do anything you want, but this will keep you on the same level because you don't need to search different names. So here by default there is a mail box opening up. Here you have to change the subject line. So we have already created multiple emails, so we already have a subject and a text. So you can create or you can copy from anywhere if you have already created. Push the subject line, then delete this by default text which is already there in the email. And since we have, as I said, we have already created an email, so we'll just copy this email from here and paste it there, here in this mail body. Yeah. So now this is pasted. So your subject is ready, and your text is ready. Now here we'll do some customization. You'll see, you'll put it a plus sign next to the higher thing. There are so many things you can do, but primarily to make it simpler, we'll just put one particular thing, which is the name. When somebody is opening their email, they'll be seeing their name written on there. So that will be picked by the tag automatically. So here, subscriber's first name, we have chosen add to email. So here, let's say you are Sanjay. So hi Sanjay would be reflecting in your email. So by doing that, you can do. And again, you have multiple options to put image or any link or any button. If you want to do, you can do that. Here you can do editing as well. Let's say if you want to edit your text, just double click and do changes, any change you want in terms of the text of the body. Now what you have to do, you have to schedule when do you want to send this email. So there are options. So let's say somebody has subscribed to whatever event you have created, so you want to send them immediately. So put 0 days, 0 hours, so it will automatically be selected as immediately and publish it. So the moment you publish, your email is ready to be, your email is now ready to be sent. So this email is now done. Correct? Now, if you want to create multiple emails for the same set of people, you can, start creating multiple emails by, there is a right-hand option, you can see add email, right? So you add email and then go to the subject, go to the timelines, and you can create multiple emails depending upon when do you want to send it, what do you want to send it, and just keep on publishing it. So as you see, so here these are the default emails. Now default emails we don't want, so we'll be deleting. So you click on here, there is a delete button. You can delete that email which you don't want. So the default emails we don't want, so we'll be deleting it, and we'll be creating our own emails. So again, depending upon your choice, let's say you want to send another email with the same set of audience. So again, you have to just click on add email and choose the time and the text, the body, the subject as for a normal email, and you can keep sending emails to those set of people depending upon what should be the frequency, right? Let's say. So here, as you said, lead magnet as test, we have done this. So this is one of the sequences which we have just created. Correct? Now, what we have to do, we have to add this tag to this sequence. Understand? We have created a tag. Tag is what? Tag is the list of people. Whoever is registering for your event, whatever it is, they are coming to the tag, right? Now you have created a tag and you have created a sequence. Now this tag has to be linked with the sequence, right? So that anybody who is coming to the tag is automatically been sent that email, which we have sequenced, right? So to do this, what you have to do is, you have to go to this top buttons where it is saying automate. Yes, click on automate, then click on visual automations, right? And here, as you said, there are multiple automations already set up. Since it's a new automation, so go to the right hand side, click new automation, right? Now here you have to start from scratch. Click on start from scratch, and it will ask for certain things. Now you have to set this automatic by saying is added to a tag. So here click on is added to a tag, and here search for the tag which we have created. So we have created a tag by the name of lead magnet test. Yes, it will come here. So this is the tag which we have created, an add event, right? Now we have added an event. Now this tag has to be linked with a sequence. Now here what we have to do, you have click on the plus and then email sequence. Again, in the email sequence, we have created a sequence by the name lead magnet test, and we added. So now your tag is connected to the sequence. So anybody who is coming to the tag is linked, and you have to make this system live. Right hand side, you have to make it live. Unless and until you make it live, it is not going to function, right? So now your lead magnet tag has been added to the sequence and it is live. So any person coming to the tag will be automatically sent this email. So those, not only one email in that particular sequence, if you are going to add multiple emails, so the multiple emails will be sent to those people. So this is all about in this particular tutorial video of ConvertKit, where you can start doing it on your own by creating tags and sequences and automating it. That's in the video. In the next video, we are going to talk about another tool. Stay connected and keep learning.